In this video, we compare four of the most popular generative AI platforms: ChatGPT, Bard, Claude, and Perplexity. So let's get started. As a side note, all of the links to the resources presented in this video can be found in the description below. Plus, if you haven't already, I highly recommend you watch part 1 and 2 of this series, where we discuss everything about ChatGPT and Bard. Also, make sure you stick around to the end of the video, because I'm going to share with you which platform is the best overall. With that out of the way, let's begin with the third platform. While ChatGPT and Bard attract a majority of the headlines, a startup called Anthropic has been quietly building their own generative AI platform. In contrast to Anthropic's competitors, this company takes a different approach to generative AI that's mainly focused on safety and ethics. Their chatbot called Claude is powered by what Anthropic calls constitutional AI, which gives the AI system a set of principles against which it can evaluate its own outputs. This constitutional AI approach allows Claude to generate useful responses while also minimizing harm. For more information about Anthropic's constitutional AI, this article is linked in the description below. Also, Anthropic currently offers 2 versions of Claude. This chart is outdated since Claude 2 was recently discontinued from the Claude AI platform and API. So the only models we need to cover are Claude Instant 1.2, a lighter, less expensive, and much faster model, which is only available via API, and Claude 2.1, Anthropic's latest and greatest AI model. As with the other platforms, let's first discuss Claude's model size. Similar to other AI companies, Anthropic is not publicly disclosing a majority of their model's specifications, so all the information online regarding Claude's model size are estimates, such as Claude Instant with 60 billion and Claude 2.1 having 176 billion parameters. As this chart illustrates, Claude 2.1 has the same number of parameters as Claude 2, which is interesting yet unverified, so take this estimate with a grain of salt. What we do know, both Claude Instant 1.2 and Claude 2.1 are available via API, but Claude 2.1 is the only model currently powering the chat interface at CloudEI for both the free and pro subscription. Despite growing levels of confidentiality, Anthropic does share the token limit for each model. For instance, Claude Instant 1.2 has a 100,000 token limit, which equates to roughly 250 pages or 75,000 words in each prompt, and a 200,000 token limit for Claude 2.1 totaling roughly 500 pages, or 150,000 words of input. It's important to point out, Anthropic states the 200,000 token limit for Claude 2.1 is currently only available to users via API, the developer console, Claude Pro, and on Amazon Bedrock via API. So the token limit for the free plan of Claude is not entirely clear. We can basically skip the API section, as we have already discussed the 2 API models. However, be aware that the Anthropic API is currently only being offered to a limited set of users, which may result in potential delays before you're able to access it. Next, Anthropic currently offers 2 plans for the Claude platform. A free version that's limited to 20 messages per 8 hours. Alternatively, for just $20 per month, users can upgrade to Claude Pro. With Claude Pro, users get approximately 100 messages per 8 hours, which is 5 times more than the free plan. Additionally, Pro subscribers enjoy priority access to the Claude platform even during high traffic periods, early access to new features, and a token limit of 200,000. Furthermore, Claude offers several unique features not available on other generative AI platforms, such as Anthropic's embedded constitutional AI makes their Claude models some of the safest AI in the industry. In addition, Claude permits users to attach up to 5 files, with each file having a maximum size limit of 10 megabytes per input. Plus, Claude currently supports a variety of file formats as input. The latest model, Claude 2.1, boasts the largest context window of any chatbot platform, allowing it to seamlessly navigate extended dialogues and deliver lightning-fast responses to input lengths approaching 150,000 words. Claude 2.1 has also made significant gains in honesty, with a 2x decrease in false statements compared to the Claude 2 model. However, it remains unclear how this measures up against the AI models of their competitors. Finally, Claude 2.1 is one of the most current models out there, with a knowledge cutoff date ranging from November 2022 to February 2023. In addition to what has already been mentioned, the Claude platform has several important drawbacks that should be taken into consideration. For example, functionality is limited in comparison to other platforms. Besides text input, the user interface only offers 3 options: file attachment, rewrite response, and thumbs down. There is no feature to change AI models, which means that even with a Claude Pro subscription, users are restricted to using Claude 2.1 as the only available option. The Claude platform cannot integrate with other apps or services. Both price plans don't provide internet access to look up real-time information, resulting in potentially outdated responses. Unlike ChatGPT and Bard, the free version of Claude does not offer unlimited messaging. Lastly, Claude is not multimodal and only accepts inputs and generates responses in text format. Here's the chart for Claude's specifications. Be sure to watch part 4 of this series to discover the details for the remaining generative AI platform. Also, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications by hitting the bell icon so you'll never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.